Theory 2. This week is a review week, so everything in Lesson 5 is stuff that we've talked about and covered before. So at the very beginning, I just want to go over a couple of the questions that are in the notes there at the beginning, or the fill-in-the-blank questions. So the very first one, it says, in a time signature, a 4 on the bottom means that the blank gets one beat. What kind of note gets one beat when there's a 4 as the bottom number of the time signature? The next one, treble means what? What does treble mean? The 4 instruments in the string family, I know there are 5 blanks, but one of those instruments has 2 words, okay? So violins use the blank clef to read music. We talked about that a while back when we were talking about clefs. So look through your old worksheets if you can't think of what it might be. There are, number 7, there are blank lines. How many? I'm looking for a number. How many lines and blank spaces in the blank? Okay? So what do we call the group of lines and spaces? And how many lines are there and how many spaces are there? Musical math, add those up. Then the next section is name the notes. So I give you the note, you fill in the letter. The next section, I give you the letter, you write the note. And there might be a couple options, like the first one is C. Maybe you know where there are 2 or 3 C's. If you want to draw both of them, or if you just want to draw one, that's fine with me. I'm only looking for one. And any one is fine. Then the dynamics. Look at the picture and in the blank, write down what dynamic you think that is. Is it piano, mezzo piano, mezzo forte, or forte? Then I give you the note and I want you to draw on the fingerboard where that note on the staff. So I give you the note on the staff. How do you play that pitch on your fingerboard? So you draw the circle where the finger goes on the fingerboard for that. Last page, draw a treble clef, draw an alto clef, draw a bass clef, and then the violin police is checking tempos. So can you tell me all of the tempo words that we use in music are at the bottom? And then look at the speed limit signs and which one is the slowest of the speed limit signs and which one is the slowest word in the tempos, okay? Which one is the fastest speed limit sign? Which one is the fastest of the tempo words? And that's how you're gonna decide. Number 17, and then just draw on that one, before we get to 17, back at 16, draw a line from the word to the speed limit sign, okay? Number 17, what should the top number of those time signatures be? So add up the beats in each measure, and they should be the same number of beats in each measure, and then write the top number for the time signature. Number 18, the bar lines are missing. So now you look at I give you the top number, you look and add the bar lines in. Don't forget at the end, we need double bar lines. And that's it for your worksheet this week. Have a great week.